First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Lock Screen. Then tap Screen Lock Type. Now select PIN. Here, enter the first 4 digits you want to use for your new PIN. Then enter 2 additional digits. Now deselect the Confirm PIN without tapping OK option. Then select it again. This step is important for this method to work. Once you've done that, remove the last 2 digits from the PIN. Then tap Continue. Re-enter your 4-digit PIN. Then tap OK to confirm it. Now go to your lock screen and test the new PIN. That's it. This is how you can set a 4-digit PIN on a Samsung phone without tapping OK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.